Hi, welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. Today we are here in Philinvest 2, Quezon City to show you this multi-level, modern, industrial tropical home and also for sale. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts, and please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for our complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. For the frontage or orientation nitong property, facing west, and at the back, which is one of the focal point nitong property, is your unblocked view of the Sierra Madre Mountains. Very priceless for this property. And as for the facade, you can also notice itong lots of wood panels installed and add some homey vibe. It complements well with the metal frame dito sa labas, and it gives you an industrial vibe then for this property. Two gates on either side of this house. One is your two-vehicle carport with your automated gate, and on the left side, we have this another entrance for your 4 to 5 vehicle carport or car garage. And in the middle, your pedestrian gate. From your pedestrian gate, you have your floating steps going here dito sa inyong main door and porch. First, itong inyong two-vehicle carport on the right side, totally covered by canopy with your metal frame and tempered glass. And on this side, you have this another access going down dun sa inyong swimming pool area. So if you have guests, pwede sila dumaan dito directly. And for the gate, pumupunta yan dito, no? So kapag binuksan nyo, you have your automated gate, space saver, and yung vibe niya very modern, no? For these stairs, these are floating steps with LED lights installed. Garden box dito sa left side para it has some kind of termination with all of the structure, mabalance yung plants ninyo, no? Your porch and your huge main door with your Phillips modern door lock. By the way, this is solid Nara with your pivot hinge para very convenient to use, no? So pasok tayo and welcome to your home. Upon entering from your main door, initially yung view nyo is your open layout design, and on my right side, ito yung inyong elevator which serves from basement up to the third level. So very convenient to use for your elderlies and your kids. And in this space, you have your foyer and your receiving area with surrounded by these sliding doors. So mapapansin nyo rin yung pathway or yung walkway going to the auxiliary kitchen para mas madali mag-organize yung inyong fresh goods coming from the market. And by the way, for the material used, these are high-grade PVC tempered glass with built-in stainless steel. So for the ceiling in this area, your drop ceiling design with cove light and pin lights. First door is itong inyong powder room. Have your Bravant brand para sa inyong water closet. Same with your lavatory and your vanity cabinet with your huge vanity mirror. Ganda, no? So for the flooring dito sa inyong ground level, matte finish imported tiles or itong inyong homogeneous tiles. Ang ganda nung texture, very friendly, non-skid sa mga maglalakad dito. And by the way, I'd like to highlight this home lift, which is one of the Swedish brand dito sa Philippines. I know this is Arhitco, so very high-end yung kanyang housing nitong inyong home lift. Very friendly din kapag ka nagkaroon ng brownout. So it has a reserve power for that. So in this space, ito yung inyong living area. You already have your accent wall or your media wall. Ready na yan sa inyong 55 to 65 inches LED TV. And you have these cabinets para sa additional storage ng inyong entertainment appliances. And by the way, we have provision for your split type AC for this space. So dito sa inyong ground level, surrounded by these huge sliding doors. So ang ganda ng natural light in this area. Ayan, mapapansin nyo naman yung natural light coming from this space. And kapag nagpunta kayo dito for a house viewing, ganun din, no? Ang ganda ng cross ventilation dito sa level na ito. And coming from your sliding door, it has an access going to your lanai area. So we have this balcony with your tempered glass handrails and stainless. And up to here dito sa dulo, you have this additional space. So kunyari man, pwede kayong maglagay dito ng inyong, alam nyo na, no, your rocking chair, no? So while enjoying the outdoor space, you are also protected from outside elements. For our ceiling, we have this PVC spandrel or ceiling. Again, warm and cozy vibe. Yung space in this area, no? Yung ano, no, yung vibe in this location, ang ganda. And from your living area dito sa dulo, itong inyong dining space. For your dining space, up to 8 to 10 seater dining table kasya in this area. Well, depending on the size of your dining table na. Napakaluwag pa nitong area na ito, and you also have provision for your chandelier. Adjacent is your main or showcase kitchen, your huge island counter, and of course, you can utilize this space as your breakfast nook or informal dining area, or maybe a quick workspace, pwede rin, no? So, kasya dito yung inyong 5 kitchen stools. We also have these integrated appliances. Itong inyong 5 or 4 induction cook hub. Integrated na rin yan dito sa inyong island counter together with your range hood. And it also comes with these soft close drawers para sa inyong mga cutleries or utensils. And on the other side, ito naman yung additional counter for your food preparation space, the location of your 2 or 4-door refrigerator, your dual sink, additional cabinet for your hanging cabinets. So, for your canned goods or dry goods, mas madali mag-organize, no? Again, additional base cabinets. And in this space, ito naman yung magiging appliance cabinet nyo for your oven and microwave. And para mas madali mag-organize ng inyong canned goods or dry goods, we have this walk-in pantry together with your circuit breaker. So if in case of emergency, madali kayo mag-shutdown appliances. Ito yung inyong built-in shelves with wood grain design. And by the way, you also have your intercom para mas madali tumawag ng inyong kasama dito sa bahay, no? So kunyari man, you have your heavy cooking, lots of guests or big family, and ayaw nyo maamoy yung lulutuin nyo dito in the future, we have this space. Itong inyong covered auxiliary kitchen together with your laundry, or what I mean is yung laundry pala nasa ibaba. But this is connected to that space. So ito yung inyong auxiliary kitchen, very efficient gumalaw in this space because this is covered, so hindi kayo nababasa dito. You also have your cabinets para additional equipments. Nandito na rin yung inyong microwave and oven na ilalagay doon sa inyong main kitchen. Currently, this is the space maybe for your test type freezer or additional appliances. Quartz counter para dito sa inyong auxiliary kitchen with your base and hanging modular cabinets. So this is the gate going down dun sa inyong basement. So ang ganda ng workflow in this property. So coming from the location dun sa basement, which is nandun yung mga room for your staff, nandun din yung inyong maluwag na laundry area. So we have these stairs going here. Ayan. Ganda ng workflow. And dito pa rin tayo sa inyong ground level. We have this room. So kunyari man, you have your elderlies with you and gusto nyo silang kasama with the focal point of this house dito sa inyong living, dining, and kitchen. This is the perfect space for them. The location of your bed frame. For the flooring, engineered wood. Ganda nung nilagay nila dito for the flooring. Do you know na it also improves the sleep quality, no? Itong mga solid wood na nilalagay nila dito for the flooring. So, ganun pala yung mga health benefits nito. hindi lang siya aesthetically pleasing, but also with the benefits of the solid wood or itong mga engineered wood. And your sliding door with an access going here. So ito yung inyong lanay or balcony na dinaanan natin kanina coming from your living and dining area. Okay, so for this room, ito yung magiging location ng inyong media wall. We have this hole para walang any, hindi nyo makikita yung wires ng television going to your electric outlets. Ang ganda, no? Provision for your split type AC, and of course, itong inyong ensuite toilet and bath, the shower space with enclosure, your water closet, and your lavatory. And we also have this cabinet and provision para sa inyong multi-point heaters. So we're done here dito sa inyong ground level. Bago tayo umakyat doon sa inyong second floor and third floor, baba muna tayo doon sa inyong basement. And again, I'd like to highlight your elevator. So this is the stairs. Solid wood for a staircase, ganoon din with the handrails, and you can also notice yung ating natural light coming from your fixed window. So upon reaching here sa basement, you still have your elevator and itong room for your storage. So if you have kunyari mga sobra or yung mga lumang Christmas trees, perfect spot for that. And itong inyong door. So tara natin. What I like na yung mga small details in this property, you can notice itong inyong ramp. So kunyari man if you have your PWDs or mga elderlies na naka-wheelchair na, ang gandang features nito, although napaka-simple pero yet very thoughtful for the owners of this property. On my left side, ito yung magiging room for your male staff or your driver. Kasya yung up to 2 male staff quarters. Yan, kasya dyan. And your ramp coming from your automated gate. So in this space dito sa inyong basement, up to 5 vehicles kasya, well, depending on the size of your vehicle. Bago tayo pumunta dito, no, ito yung spot or room for your female staff quarters. Another sliding door, ito yung access going here. So ito yung stairs from the 2-vehicle carport. And yan. So mamaya daanan natin yan. And dito sa dulo, ito yung sinasabi ko na laundry area na very spacious. Excuse me lang sa stand fan. Okay. So ito yung location ng inyong magiging automated washing machine. Nandiyan na rin yung mga water inlets and outlets. Additional counter with lavatory or sink, and the room para doon sa pump ng inyong swimming pool. And ito yung stairs going up para mas maganda yung workflow dito sa inyong service area. And ito yung one of the focal point of this property dito sa basement. We have this plunge pool or your swimming pool. And this is space, pwede kayong maglagay ng inyong table. So while watching the kids, you can enjoy in this space then. Covered na rin ito by a canopy, so hindi mabilis madumihan yung inyong swimming pool, and you are also covered from outside elements. Counters on this side para mas madali mag-serve ng food. So ayan, you have your base and hang cabinets for your storage, your lavatory, and the location or provision ng inyong oven with your cooktop. And of course, the toilet and bath para dito sa inyong swimming pool. By the way, for the flooring, homogeneous tiles with rough texture. So let's go up. We also have step lights installed dito sa inyong stairs. Okay, so akyat tayo dun sa inyong second floor. Same materials installed dito sa inyong stairs, solid wood with step lights installed. Again, lots of natural light coming from your fixed window. Here's the second floor. We have 4 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath each, and your balcony. Tingnan natin. So for the balcony, facing dito sa facade ng property, which is again facing west, you have your metal frame para dito sa, or metal handrails para dito sa inyong balcony. So this is your bedroom 2. Bedroom 1 yun nandun sa inyong ground floor. The location of your bed frame. Floor to ceiling cabinet for your storage. The location of your media wall. An access going to your balcony and provision for your split type AC. Ang ganda ng cabinet nila, no? And your ensuite, toilet and bath. And your bedroom 3. Ganda ng space, no? Location of your queen or king size bed. Again, floor to ceiling cabinet. With see-through cabinets na rin, no? For your jewelries or watches. And pwede, no? You have your drawer. Your media wall with your provision para sa inyong split type. And your ensuite, toilet and bath. So this is your bedroom 3. Diyan, nalilito na ako sa dami ng bedroom. By the way, you have your intercom, your bedroom 4. Pwede kayo mamili on either side, no, kung anong gusto nyong lagayan ng inyong bed frame or dito sa kabila. Floor to ceiling cabinet. Provision for your split type. Talagang personal na gamit na lang yung dadalhin nyo, no? So, lahat gawa na talaga. Your well-planned location of your media wall with holes. Very convenient yan sa magiging new owners. And your toilet and bath. And dito sa dulo, ito naman yung inyong bedroom 5 or your master bedroom. On my right side, ito yung anteroom ninyo or your waiting area. Your media wall with built-in shelves. Bagay na rito yung inyong corner or yung couch with your center table. Lots of natural light surrounding in this space because of your floor-to-ceiling fixed window and sliding window. You also have this access going here sa inyong balcony with the view of the mountain. Imagine, nandito pa tayo sa second floor. Imagine yung nasa third floor na tayo. Napakaganda ng mountain view na yan. Yung mga ridges na yan, very priceless in view. Again, for the ceiling, WPC or wood plastic composite for our ceiling, kaya hindi yan nasisira or nabubulok kapag nababasa. And your master bedroom. Your drop ceiling design with wood panels installed. The location of your custom size bed or your king size bed. Panoramic window again facing dito sa inyong unblocked mountain view. The location of your media wall. And again, ang access going to your balcony. Of course, hindi mawawala itong inyong walk-in closet surrounded by these floor-to-ceiling cabinet with LED lights installed. Your vanity area. Additional shelves for your bags or shoes in this space. Ganon din in this area. And your ensuite, toilet and bath. Your spacious shower space with your bathtub. Your lavatory. And the location of your water closet and wall hang male urinal. Ganda nung stone, very rough yung texture. So we're done here sa second floor. Akit na tayo dun sa inyong third floor. Sa third floor, same pa rin yung flooring, no? Engineered wood with wood grain design. And your bedroom 6. The location of your mattress or your bed frame, your media wall. Additional space maybe para sa inyong office or the anteroom in this area. Facing dito sa inyong panoramic window. Lots of natural light. Provision para sa inyong split type AC. Well, you can utilize this area as your bedroom 6 or a movie room. Well, depende sa inyo yan. Wala tayong ensuite toilet and bath, but nandito yung inyong magiging toilet and bath which is common dito sa inyong third floor. You still have your elevator. Ayan. And I'd like to surprise you with this feature dito sa third floor. Your bar. Oh. Or your kitchenette. Depende sa inyo, no? But for me, no, gagamitin ko yung bar. You have your counter. Ayan. And the location of your media wall for your television set. We also have provision for your split type AC. For the flooring, engineered wood in this area. And one of the focal point again of this property, your unblocked mountain view. Imagine lots of memories with your friends, relatives, or your family in this space. Very priceless, no? Ang ganda. That concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new, modern, industrial, tropical home located here in Philinvest 2, Quezon City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you and see you next week.